Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of fog lights and highlighting what could arguably be the best fog lights for SUVs on the market: the Auxbeam 5-inch 132-watt LED pods. Now, when it comes to fog lights, you want something that not only cuts through the mist but also adds a touch of style to your ride. And let me tell you, these bad boys deliver on both fronts. First off, let's talk about visibility. These LED pods offer a whopping 15,600 lumens of brightness, making them 500% brighter than traditional fog lights. With their white, yellow, and amber tri-color options, you can easily customize your lighting experience to suit any driving conditions. But it's not just about brightness, it's also about versatility. These Auxbeam LED pods feature a spot flood combo beam, giving you both long-range illumination and wide coverage. Whether you're navigating through dense fog or cruising down a dark country road, these lights have got you covered. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included DT connector wiring harness and easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, with their sturdy aluminum alloy heat sinks and IP68 triple waterproof rating, you can trust that these lights will stand up to whatever Mother Nature throws their way. And let's not forget about style. With their sleek design and yellow covers, these LED pods add a unique custom look to any vehicle. Whether you're driving a rugged truck or a sleek SUV, these lights are sure to turn heads wherever you go. So, to sum it all up, the Auxbeam 5-inch 132-watt LED pods are not only the best fog lights for SUVs, but they're also a must-have accessory for any serious off-roader or outdoor enthusiast. With their unbeatable brightness, versatility, and style, these lights are sure to take your driving experience to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest automotive gear. Until next time, drive safe and stay illuminated.